Welcome to our WPRP video series, Would You Like Fries with That? I'm Josh Smith.
And I'm Linda Anloff.
Today we're talking about safety, not any type of safety, but safety clips. And the brand we're talking about today is Ridg-U-Rak. Now Linda, you have a couple of clips. Would you like sharing with what you have going on here?
So this is the Ridg-U-Rak clip, and this is actually used in their signature design in their hook and slot system. So once the beam is engaged into the frame, this little clip goes on top to prevent the beam from dislodging. Here we have a pinch pin. This can be used for teardrop or the hook and slot style, and sometimes you'll even see this used to install row spacers on their system.
Now I've got a little gem here that I want to share with you that you may not know about, and that is a direct replacement clip for the Ridg-U-Rak beam. This is that tab, and instead of having the rubber grommet that you see on the beams that are made today, this has a little spring here. Now you heard it here first. I'm Josh Smith.
And I'm Linda Anloff.
And if you want to know more about clips or safety, make sure to tune in to our YouTube channel and subscribe, Instagram or LinkedIn, and or reach out to us with more questions.